this is me, Eva, and today I am playing Bloxburg again. Many videos this morning. But yeah, I'm gonna give you a tour of my other house. It's just like a white one. Suburban, I don't know. But this is probably my favorite house out of all of them. And my cafe, if I was including the cafe, then it would be the cafe because I love the cafe. So yeah, not much happened on my birthday. I didn't have cake, not much, but wait, here it is. I honestly cannot think of it. If the lighting goes out, my favorite part about this house is probably the garage. I'm gonna zoom in and show you the best garage. At least I think it's the best. So here it is. Just wait for it to load. Very laggy as it's loading in. You're getting a little glimpse of it already. There's a room there. And then there's just like a tiny chair. I'm just gonna turn around. I'm only joking. I'm lazy. There's a tiny chair and there's a blank plant and stuff. Oh, there's fireworks on there as well. There's the link of my garage, but it's the inside that I love about it. Oh, the fuck is my face. Okay, and now it's time for me to have the door open. So here's just the entrance, just like, yeah, it's nice and oh, zoom out real quick for the actual house itself. Let's look at the garage, by the way. I'll show you it properly in a minute. But yeah, here it is. So here's the porch, just a little chair there. So no, I have to pay the bills the second thing. Oh well. Go ahead and pay bills. Open this door because I fell flat. So here it is. I'm just gonna turn the power on. Switch on. Voila! So as I said in my first video, I think, of the house on an island on water. Yeah, no. But here I saw the light about where everything is, just so I didn't spoil it. Anyway, here is my hallway. Just I have her thing here. Signature, whatever it is. What is wrong with this eyebrow? Yeah, my eyebrows is ugly. Like, that's not even the end of it. I hate it. If it was the end of it, but it would be better than that. Anyways, here's the hallways, like just emergencies. And coat hanger, and then fairy lights. Then you walk in, and then you see the kitchen table. Then you see the kitchen. Some culture feast in here. While okay, obviously. And then I disconnected. So then here is my chair in my living room. Not in the other room. Now here is my bathroom. Simple. Little picture in the corner and towel. And then over here, so you'll see us taking coffee because I'm running low on energy. Now, we're a bit faster, but laggy, not laggy. So here's like a mini music room or something. Every time I walk in here, I think that the garage beside us is a curtain. It's really hot. So here's just like a picture, like a place to do homework, or like you can do guitar homework. Another picture, and that's the downstairs really. And then my garage, I'll show you last. Okay, so here is a bedroom. For some reason all the doors are open. Oh, here's the bedroom. This is meant to be a girl's bedroom, that's why there's girl pictures all over the place. Then the next one is meant to be boys, because there's boy pictures. And then also, it's like, oh, I have a crush on this girl here, so put that picture there. There's two boys now, there's no other boy ones, so they're very rare. So here's one, a bathroom, if you have something. And then there's a plant in the corner there. So here's the bathroom toilet. Well, it's not the main bathroom, the downstairs one is the main bathroom. Now here's the master bedroom. I don't know how to pronounce it. So you walk in, you see this. So here's a girl bed, and then more pictures. I think this one's my favorite because she's so pretty. I'm not showing you a picture. And then twins. And before we go up, I'm going to show you the bathroom. I love the shelving in the bathroom. I'm so stocked up. So stoked. Just kidding. Does this one open or is it fine? No, it wants to. Okay, so here's the bathroom. This is the shelving. I love it. This one. Then there's the sink. Now, behind here, like a little hangout with a TV. It's very squished though, because there's barely any space for the ladder. So here is okay. Now I'm going to show you. Right. So anyway, so here's the bed. It's like a mini loft thing, candles, and then here is this. I didn't want to get one of them pro mirror things because A, I didn't have enough money, and B, I wanted to put a window there. So I like this, the shelving all stocked up. This one, I was going to do with my island house. If you didn't watch it, go watch it. After this video, I'm probably going to go straight to doing a roleplay video or something. I don't know. So walk out. Oh, well, I need to get in my car to go to work. Light fireworks. Look at this. Oh, I stink. Oh, I love when that happens. They slowly go up together. That means all the colours are going to go in a line, and it's just gorgeous. Honestly, I just love it. See, that one has a bit different. When they all go at the exact same time. So here is the garage, the moment you've been waiting for. Well, I've been waiting for, honestly. Oh, but here it is then. Like these stuff. Red spray paint. And then papers. Bills. And then oil. Oil. Then then stick right on the below, and then 8, and then again. So you can see cover. So there is my house. Mama, but I'll see you guys later.